Today in this video we are going to be understanding that what is a niche based channel is, and I am going to give you example of a niche based channel. So for example, if we take an example of this channel that I am going to give you, that is, we all know that there has been a channel that is known as Brightside. Okay, so there is a channel that is named Brightside and they upload really good content. So what type of content they upload? If we write bright side up here and we can see something, we can see this logo and here it's written bright side. Okay, so this has got quite a good number of subscribers and they have uploaded the number of uploads. You can easily see it's quite humongous. That is, they upload near about 3 times in a day. So what happens is that they have a whole lot of team. What I want to say is that there are people who are making this bright side really possible. So there are about hundreds of people who are actually working effortlessly and they are producing simple videos like these ones. For example, 195 riddles, marathon is Olympics for your brain, how seedless fruits grow. Okay, so this is really good topic, how seedless fruits grow, and 25 daily mysteries. Okay, so they're doing this mystery thing. And now the next one is like here we can see that you see it every day, you see it every single day, but never Google what's for. Quite fascinating that how we can easily understand that how things are working. For example, 24 amazing things you didn't know your body can do. So these kinds are a kind of clickbaity ones. Okay, but these are really good ones and they are working for them. So for example, 21 things only Indian tourists can't understand, only in India tourists can't understand. So they have given a world, and here is India, and 13 unsolved mysteries no one can explain. Okay, so let's see how much they're making near about $4.7 million every single year, and it's pretty good. What I gotta say, it's pretty good. I mean, they are uploading near about 3 videos every single day. They are uploading it for 365 days. So if we take it as 3, okay, let's do some calculation. 365 multiplied by 3, it's 15, 1 in hand, 18 and 9, 1 in hand, and 10. So they are making near about 1095 videos, right? So they are making near about 1095 videos every single year, and let's assume that each and every video costs them near about $1,000. It's never gonna cost them that much, but let's assume. Okay, so how much it's gonna cost? So it's gonna be like 1095 and 000. Okay, so it's gonna cost them near about $1 million. So it's gonna cost them near about $1 million, almost $1.1 million. So this much is the investment that they are doing, and after that they're getting results like they're making almost like $5 to $10 million every single year. So it's a good profit they are making. And not just that, if you do it in a scale, you can eventually make things like these, and you can eventually make near about $5 to $10 million every single year. Now talking about that, do you need to be so big, you need to be such gigantic channel like them? But you don't need to be. In fact, I have 6 different channels on different niches. For example, the preferred ones I myself prefer is the dog one because I love dogs. The second one is on business. Few are on business, few are on self-help, okay, and few are on meditation, and so on and so forth. So it depends. I can't reveal all the niches, but I can give you these ones. For example, another one is on tech niche, and I can't reveal another, the last one, because it's really special. See, that's how you can make. So what you need to do, it's pretty simple. You need to get some script writer, and you can get it from Fiverr, or you can use Upwork. And then you need to have a video editor who is just gonna edit the videos, okay, who's just gonna edit the videos, and then you are simply going to upload it onto YouTube. And whenever you upload it onto YouTube, people are going to see, and your statistical view is gonna increase, okay. And that's how you can actually make a niche channel, and you can simply monetize it. Now, for example, how you can monetize it more, that's very simple. For example, if you have used a Chanel perfume, okay, so you have got a bottle of Chanel, okay, so here it is, you got a bottle of Chanel and you have loved it, so you just tell your friend that I got it and I just loved it. Similarly, you can tell it to your audiences, and let's assume this is not just your friend, you can also tell it to thousands of people. So they buy, these 1,000 people buy, and you get a commission of near about $30. So you get a commission of near about $30. So what's happening is that, for example, it's gonna be $30,000 because 1,000 people buy from your recommendation, and you get a, it's called commission. You get a commission or a percentage because you referred something that you yourself love. For example, you can do that, and that's known as affiliate marketing, okay. That is what is known as affiliate marketing. You don't need to know all the terminologies, trust me, it's nothing of use until and unless you don't know how to use the things. For example, you might not know affiliate marketing, but you know how it works. That's the way I myself love, okay. So that's how you can actually work on these things. So that was all for today, and not just that, I hope that you got informed and you got some knowledge, so that you can simply apply it. You can apply it, and you can easily make this thing work. And then after that, you will be able to have niche channels if on the things that you actually love, okay. For example, or you are passionate about, and then you can make passive income, or you can make money online, and you will be able to be doing the things, and you will be really much more eager to do the work that you actually love. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this whole video.